Hello everybody, Ben Ditmar here again. Today is February 4th, 2022. And I did a couple other videos, so I figured, hey, I might as well do this one too. This one here is a 1967 3-horse Johnson. I picked this motor up several years ago at auction, and I went through it here a few weeks ago. Anyway, went through the ignition on it, did the points and condensers, did wires on it, did plugs, did a carb kit on it, did fuel hoses, water pump impeller. I think I did a drive shaft seal on it, and it turned out well. So I did just do a quick fire up on it, and anyway, I needed to run the gas out of it and stuff so I could put it in storage for until springtime. So we'll give you a little demonstration on this one. Let it warm up a little bit. Lean there. It's a little cold in the garage right now. It's about 45 degrees. Oop. So anyway, just a short little video on a 67 3-horse Johnson. Alright, I'm going to run the gas out of it and put it away for storage. Thank you for watching.